Hello, Mandeep Singh, founder of mandeeps.com. In this video, we will see how we can add our own background images to Live Rotator module. If you have not seen the Getting Started video, I strongly recommend that you check that out first. Alright, so in Getting Started video, we saw how easy it was to have just a simple rotator by just uploading some images. So let's click in Options, and let me bring that into the view, and let's add some padding to this. So we have a lot of padding, so we can easily see background images. So by default, Live Rotator comes with 4 images, and that is to reduce the file size of the installed file. Now Live Rotator comes with a lot more background images that you can download from our forms section and add them to your library, and we'll demonstrate how to do that in a few minutes. But let's say you really wanted to have your own background and you don't want these backgrounds. How hard it is to go ahead and add such things. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's say you have your own background like this right here that you want to add in. So what we need is a background, preferably in PNG format, because it takes care of the transparency and everything else. Then you want a little thumbnail of it, 35 by 35 pixels in JPEG format. This is a thumbnail that appears right here, so you can click on it and choose a background image. And lastly, what you want is an XML file named after the file itself. So we call this one bg-1 background 1. So let's see what the XML file needs to have. Now, XML file is not required, but you certainly would want it, so you can go ahead and cut certain CSS properties. So in this XML file, you can go ahead and define the CSS. Basically say, how do you want the background repeat to be? So for this one, we're going to say we don't want any repeat. If you have any patterns that you want repeat horizontally and repeat vertically, or repeat both ways, you can specify that here. You can say the position of the background, so we're saying center, and a background color if the width and height is more than the image. So we're saying we want this background color. Alright, so how do we really add this in? It's really easy. What you need to do is basically go to the root of your website. So here's the root of our website. From there, go to Desktop Modules, Live Rotator, Resources, Images, and background images. Okay, so if your site is hosted with a hosting company, you would use FTP to go ahead and get to this folder, and all you really want to do is basically move or copy your files here. It's really that simple. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and close out of this and close out of this and click on Options again. This will reload the designer and will bring any new background images. We didn't save our padding changes, so we lost it. So let's go ahead and get those back up, and let's click on background images. And what you see now is your new background image that we just added is right there. And there we have it. It's really that easy to add your own background images. Now, you can get a lot more background images from our site at our forms. So simply go ahead and download the zip file and extract it, and you will see a lot of background images in there that we're including with Live Rotator. So all you really have to do is copy these images to your Live Rotator Resources, Images, Background Images folder, and you can do this through either FTP or if you have remote desktop access or something else. So we're just going to drag all these here and copy all of them over, and we just did that. So once again, I'm going to hit save here and then go back to options, and what you're going to see now is that I have a whole library of different background images that I can use, and that makes it very easy to work with Live Rotator. So something like this, and there we have it. Or if I can change this to something like this, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to create your own background images and add any new background images that are offered from our website or elsewhere. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please do let us know. Thank you.